my God, Milky, you're tearing him to shreds.
I've heard a lot of respect for him. He brings a lot of juice as the rain. Now he's coming back down here in Seattle. One back way across the field.
Milky, did you know that you're being... Oh my God, you're tearing the crap out of him! Oh my God! Oh my God, you're still at it! You need to see Milky Milk right now. He's tearing the crap out of this freaking bird.
He's got great energy. He's the guy in the run game. He's digging out safeties. He's really the alpha in that wide receiver room. But the guy is, he's never in the front line of the stat page. He's just one of those blue guys. But Johnson, he was the first guy you brought up. Yeah.
Get up. Milky.
When you find guys like Matt Collins, you love him as teammates because when they do get their opportunity and when they do make a play, you'll see that team is so excited for them because they finally get a lot of their hard work to pay off. Whether they're called upon in the run game or special teams, you need so many players like that when you have a great culture like Buffalo has. And being as built over the years, McDermott has built over the years, it really amounts to winning football, which is why we play this game. Show up to win. That's what it's about.
Yeah, Buffalo is his fifth different team. Doesn't have a catch today. He doesn't care. Because the Eagles are up 31-10. 2 minutes to go.
With Chevy Equinox EV, you can wake up every day with a full charge. Your car can have a roomy, no-compromise interior. And starting around $34,995, you and more money can go further in America's most affordable EV with over 315 miles of range. Equinox EV, a vehicle you know, value you expect, and a dealer right down the street.
Get him.
Go EV without changing a thing. Chevrolet, together let's drive.
What's up, Carl Nation? It's your #1 broker with the best full-service wealth management skills in the biz.
Actually, I'm seeing something from Schwab.
Uh-oh. Yeah, Schwab lets you invest and trade on your own.
And if you want, they can even manage it for you.
Not to mention, Schwab has a team of specialists for taxes, insurance, and estate planning, all with low fees.
We're experiencing technical difficulties.
Schwab, a modern approach to wealth management.
Carlo supports taxpayer-funded sex changes for prisoners.
Milky looks so cute.
For prisoners, every transgender inmate in the prison system would have access.
Hell no, I don't want my taxpayer dollars going there. Kamala supports transgender sex changes in jail with our money. Kamala even supports letting biological men compete against our girls in their sports. Kamala is for they, them. President Trump is for you.
I'm Donald J. Trump, and I approve this message.
Donald Trump.
Those online will give you a free pizza
Oh.
to use for future pizza emergency. So you'll have an emergency pizza. A free pizza when you need it most. There you go.
Milky, my God.
There is no way I can put into words what Folds of Honor Scholarship means to our family.
21-10 Bills going to win this game over the Seahawks 2 minutes ago. Good to see you, Tom Brady. I'm Kevin Burkhardt, and next week we go to Lambeau. First time at Lambeau as a broadcaster for the right first place in the NFC North with the Lions, who bludgeoned the Titans. The Packers won, lost Jordan Love, and we hope he's okay for that game. That'll be fun.
Yeah, it'd be a great game. Jordan Love, obviously, dealing with the MCL injury early, came back, started to find his rhythm, and we'll see how the groin holds up over the course of the week. But one thing we can count on is that Lions offense, the creativity of Ben Johnson. That is an
Come on, Milky.
offense in front of cover. And I know we've had a lot of blowouts this year. We dealt with the Lions and Dallas where they did the same thing.